Welcome! In front of me is a Blackview A90 and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the power saving toggle. No, it's right over here. So once you locate your toggle, you can tap on it to turn it on. It does give you a message letting you know that when you enable the power saving mode, things like, or the changes that will apply is you will have dark mode on, turn off or restrict background activity, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So let's select turn on, and there we go. So there we go, that is how you can enable your power saving mode. And once you're done with it, simply tap on the toggle once more and everything will revert back to normal. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.